We're gonna see what shops stop my scroll. We're gonna go onto Etsy as a buyer and see what shops pop off the page and make me wanna stop, shop, try, buy, or just keep passing by. As we do these critiques and reviews, this should help you grow your shop by learning what to do, what not to do, and what a buyer may be looking for. Let's go ahead and see what else jumps off the page. Oh. In this critique, I will check photo quality, decide if I trust this shop, look at the reviews, see the description, and then I will give my rating. This right here. So this jumped off the page for me because it had some really visually stimulating colors. I was drawn to these flowers. I really like the way that they look. They're crocheted. So let's see, it's Mother's Day crochet flower bouquet, sunflower, handmade gift, finished product, birthday, girlfriend, mom, grandma, wife, gift for her. And it's by Best Jellyfish US. So let's go ahead and look at, oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is a gift for me that I would definitely buy because I feel like I could keep it. I feel like if I gave it to my mother-in-law, that she would have it forever. I love that the colors pop. I love that these are flowers and the big sunflower in the middle. It's really, really cute. Let's look at the options here. So, oh wow, okay, so the pricing it's a little bit high, but wow, for the quality of the work and the detail, I think I would definitely try and maybe buy this. So you can get small buds, you can get a rose orange. So I'm not sure if she's selling individual items here and I'm buying these separately. So let's see if we've got some detail here that we can look at. So item details. Okay, so this is handmade premium milk cotton yarn. Okay, everything about her plant science that she studied. So what you see is what you get. Okay, the bouquet you will receive and the one in the photo are the same, fully packaged, including the wrapping paper and the bow. You can place your order to have it delivered directly to your friend or a friend for a gift. I love this. I love this. Okay, she's got the care instructions here. Everything in the description is broken down easily for me to read. She's got a red heart here so that I could see exactly, the different columns that she's trying to lay out for me. I would just suggest that you put a space between the heart and the next letter, like heart space due to the nature of. Just put a spacing here would be a little critique. But I mean, these are wonderful. Let's see what the reviews look like. This shop right here has 2,371 reviews and it is a 5-star shop. And it just says, just as described, very satisfied with my purchase. The flowers are beautiful. They came exactly as advertised. I love how these came out. Would gladly repurchase them. And you know what? I'm going to give you a buy. I am definitely going to add this to the cart and send these to my mother-in-law for Mother's Day. I love this. When we are done with this review, I am definitely going to heart your shop. I'm going to come back and I'm going to purchase this bouquet and have it sent because this has won me over. This is a definite buy for me. This shop for me, a 1 out of 5. It gets a 5. It's visually beautiful. Let's look at the front page. Wow. Best jellyfish. Okay, best jellyfish. So these are all one word. Original handcrafted crochet gifts since 2022. Okay, I wouldn't imagine that you've just been making these for like 2-3 years. So it looks like you've got a lot of experience here. You have almost 9,200 sales. You've got, your best seller, your star seller. What I would do here is just make sure you're keeping up with your holidays. You have a Thanksgiving and Christmas. So make sure to look at the front end of your shop a little bit closer, and if you're going to add certain dates or holidays, make sure to go in and check those so you're not behind, because right now we're coming up on Mother's Day and the Easter holiday. So you've got 130 items in the shop, and these bouquets They just look visually appealing. I feel like I can trust this shop. You have social proof. You have the reviews that just speak volumes, and I'm definitely going to order from you. So this shop gets a rating of 5 from me, and you also got a new customer. I love this right here.